Next on the coding cards, what we have is dancing letter. The steps for which are again the same. Further, we have added one music extension here, and this is the instruction set that we are going to give this sprite. In order to begin with this particular activity, we will open our Scratch project and we will go to the sprite library and take a new sprite from there. You can take any other sprite also as per your convenience. Now to this particular sprite, we have to give the instruction set, and before we do that, we can add any backdrop as well. So we will be taking spotlight backdrop. You can take anything else also. Now in order to give the instructions, we will add one music extension like this, and these are the instructions available in this particular extension. In order to make this particular activity, the first instruction will be when we click on this particular sprite, because we want it to be dancing on the game stage. So we will be moving it towards the right and left hand side and playing the sounds accordingly. So from the motion category, we can take the move 10 steps, and from the music category, we can take this particular instruction. So that will be going towards the right hand side. In order to come to the left hand side, we will give the same instruction with the minus 10 steps. And we can add this play drum again, and there is a drop down list also. You can take any other sound from there as well. Now every time you click on this particular sprite, it's going to play the drums for you.